Hello my friends, Natasha with Natasha Scrapbook Corner, and today I'm coming to you with art mail envelope, altered envelope. There is lots of videos on art mail. Basically what it is, it's a decorated envelope that you can actually mail your mail to whatever. So this particular one is a little bit too much altered, because I'm sending it in a swap. So, and it's not intended to go in a post office. That's why I kind of glued here a little sticker, because it's not gonna be mailed. It's just an art. Okay, so for the base, for the particular envelope, I just took one of the recollection cards that I altered the card, and I used to create this art mail envelope, regular envelope from the recollection card stock. So so it basically, yeah, opens up, one of those square one, 4x6 cards, regular standard size. So what I wanted to do for a longest time, I wanted to play with the Lindy's Magicals, Lindy Stem Gang Magicals, and so I picked up this under the boardwalk, under the boardwalk, if I'm reading it right. So it has this beautiful well, I consider them pastel, but they're a little bit brighter than pastel, of course, but really cute colors. So basically what I did it on the kitchen, so I didn't record it because I couldn't do that on my pretty background here because it's messy. So I open each container and just sprinkle a little bit here, a little bit there, in a format of this 4x6 envelope. Just regular, I just sprinkle the powder somewhere, I mixed it, and then I activated it with the water. Just sprayed the water, and then I landed my landed my envelope into that bubbly mess, lifted up, flipped it over, and dipped it one more time, and then swirl it, and that's how I got that messy background, as you see right there. And of course I had to dry that out with my heat gun. Okay, so that was much done. The background was done with the Magicals, really fun stuff. And then the next fun part is to actually decorate or create your art mail envelope. There is so many ways you can go. You can stamp, you can decoupage, you can use stickers, you can use magazines, you can use die cuts. It's absolutely up to you how you're gonna be decorating it. So I looked in my personal stash, and I found this shabby doily for my shabby Christmas in July. So this is an Escape product. And I used that bottom border right there in here, and I used these flowers to decoupage on the back. Look how beautiful they look. Isn't that gorgeous? And for the postage stamp, this is all I have, like it's Parisian, I would say, post office, whatever, script in here. And I use that stamp right here as a stamp mark right here, that little piece of decoupage, that napkin in here. And for the postmark, I used one of the stickers from the Santa Baby collection. They have 55 stickers, so you can do so many things. It's such a fun collection. So I adhered that post stamp per se. I used a couple die cuts from the same Prima collection, the Santa Baby. Okay, so and while I was decoupaging it, I had the little smear going around, and what I did, I just basically put the decoupage on top of the image, so it will be sealed like you do regular decoupage. And while it was drying, I just dropped the glitter on both elements in here, on Santa and on this stack of beautiful Christmas gifts. Okay, so nothing fancy in here. On top in here, I really like that. I know it's not chevron, but I like the look of it. This is this Recollection washi collection, and here's this tape, washi tape. I really like it. It's so shabby. I'm so thrilled. I'm not really big washi tape person, but I really love this collection. It's such a beautiful shabby colors in there. Okay, so basically that's it. I already talked to you about these flowers that came from the napkin from NSK, and they will be back in stock in November, the olden napkins and stuff. So because NSK is in a summer mood, we are running on their just a low quantity of products in the store, because it's summer, everybody on vacation. So, and with this particular rosettes, I also repeat the same technique as I did with the Santa and the gifts. I wet it with the decoupage, Mod Podge, decoupage, and I just dropped a little glitter in there. So that was my it's almost like mixed media. I didn't do the modeling paste on it. Well, you can always add yours. Okay, so thank you so much if you have any questions. I think it was pretty self-explanatory. Stay tuned for the pictures. And if you have any questions, please ask it in the comments below. Tell me what you think, and yeah, just leave me a comment. Don't forget to put a thumbs up. All right, and I'll see you later. Bye.